Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time watching my videos, this is Ed and I post different videos about visas, immigration, lifestyle and everything about Canada. I probably know why are you watching this video. Are you fed up yet? Please don't. Because one day I was in your shoes, if you can already tell from my accent. Please watch till the end of the video. I will answer all your questions and I will find one pathway that will allow you to move to Canada, whether you're looking to study, work, or even live there without an IELTS exam. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. I exactly know how frustrating that could be to hold on your life goals and stop pursuing your dreams because of an English test. Is this fair? In this video, I will share with you 6 different ways that allows you to come to Canada whether you're coming to study, work, or even live here and you don't need an IELTS. Just wanted to let you know that these 6 ways are not in any order or shape. So please do your research and pick the one that suits you the most. Just before we start, disclaimer, I am not an immigration consultant or a lawyer. I am just sharing all this information from my knowledge that I have been accumulating here for the last many years in Canada. So please enjoy, hit the like button and subscribe to watch all my other content. Let's dive right into it. First, probably most of you know about the regular visit visa or the TRV. This visa allows you to come here to stay for 6 months as long as you're not planning to work or study. The good thing about this visa is you can extend it or you can convert it to a different kind of visa since you are in Canada in certain conditions. Again, issuing this visa doesn't require you to have any sort of an English exam or test. Second is having a work permit. I know it's quite difficult to have a work permit because you need to have a LAMIA, but I highly suggest if you have special kind of experience or you have extensive amount of research or in any niche or in any industry, just vouch for it and look for somebody who can sponsor you. I have personally known so many people that came to Canada with a work permit. Again, you don't need an IELTS or English test for the work permit. Third is SAWP, which refers to the Seasonal Agricultural Worker Permit. This is again a seasonal visa. It's usually valid for 8 to 9 months in a year and is usually issued to certain countries. And usually these countries are either from Mexico or the Caribbean. There are certain conditions for this visa that you need to be working in a production in certain kind of fruits and vegetables. Like there are some certain, like picking up corn or seeds or strawberries. So you have to be in a certain kind of production. You can come here, you can work outside. It's a very therapeutic work if you enjoy being outside and in nature. And again, you don't need an English exam to obtain this visa. Fourth is the International Experience Class, which is IEC. This is a very interesting visa and it's usually valid for 1 to 2 years. It depends from which country are you from. Unfortunately, this visa is not eligible for everybody and you need to be from a certain country to be eligible to apply for this visa. There are around 35 to 40 countries and most of them are from Europe. There's few in South America, I believe Costa Rica, Chile, and Mexico, and there's some from Asia like Hong Kong, Taiwan, Japan, and obviously the Commonwealth countries like New Zealand and Australia. This is again a wonderful visa if you are from one of these countries and you want to come here for a 1 to 2 years visa. And this is an open work permit, so you can pick anywhere you want to work and you don't have to work in any specific industry or any specific province. Again, you don't need to have an IELTS exam for this visa. Fifth, and one of my favorite, is applying to a university that doesn't require IELTS. And actually there are quite a lot. There are universities and there are colleges. Having said that, that doesn't mean they don't require any kind of English evaluation. They might require you to do an English exam in the college, or you might even provide any kind of alternative test. It could be CAN test or Duolingo or Kale or SAWP. So they could ask you to bring any of these exams, and I'm sure most of these are way easier than IELTS. I highly suggest that you check these universities to see what kind of are they looking for. The top list of these universities that they specifically don't require IELTS exam are University of Virginia, University of Winnipeg, Carleton University, but most of them I have went through them briefly, and most of them they require you to have a decent amount of English skills, and most of them they require you to be admitted to a placement test, which is kind of an exam that they offer in the university where they can evaluate how good your English is. And worst comes to worst, the good thing about this university, if you fail in the exam and you didn't get the required score, they would offer you an English course, and usually the English course is valid for 3 to 4 months, and most of the time these courses are quite good, intensive, and relatively not expensive. And as soon as you take this course and you pass the course, you are qualified to waive the IELTS requirement from your way. So this is a good start if you want to come to Canada without having IELTS with you ready. Sixth and the last one, it's called SX1 visa. This is kind of my favorite visa. It's a very similar to the visitor visa with the permission added to this visa that you are allowed to visit and also study in Canada as long as the course you're taking less than 6 months. This visa cannot be extended, unfortunately, but the good thing is when you come here and you take an English course, you don't have to come for an English course. You can come for any kind of course you like. You can take a photography course, or you can take a music class. But my personal experience is if you come here and you invest in this visa and you come here and you take an English course offered by one of the good universities, this is a great pathway for you to waive the IELTS requirement since you have done this course and you have shown that you have a decent amount of English skills, or because you have been admitted to this course. So this means you're eligible to get a student permit, and in this case, since you're in Canada and you're having this kind of visa which is SX1, you don't need to attempt IELTS. The good thing about this visa is you can convert this visa easily to a visitor visa, or you can convert it to a student permit with some legal help, of course. I always suggest that you seek some legal help before doing any step to make sure you're not doing anything illegal which could jeopardize your application. Also, this is one of my favorite visa because studying for 3 or 4 months in any university is not costly. So this is a great option if you want to come to Canada, you want to travel, and also you want to study some course of English in a very reasonable cost, and you don't have to pay lots of money, especially in these English classes. So I highly suggest you go through these 6 options, and I will put the links in the description. Just go through them, do some research, and pick one that suits you the most. So let me know in the comments which one did you pick. So I'm sharing all these tips and tricks to make sure having an IELTS exam doesn't hinder you pursuing your dreams and achieve your goals, whether you're looking to go to a different country, or you're coming to Canada, or you want to study in a university. So I wish you all the best if you're watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any question. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to watch all my other videos. See you soon.